Okay guys, Jason here from Brisbane, beautiful sunny Brisbane, the Sunshine State. Not exactly that sunny today, but that's okay. Want to have a chat to you about this market, really exciting market at the moment. A lot of clients are asking, should I consider Brisbane? Well, when you think about doing your research, what are you chasing? You're chasing gains. So it's so important to look what the data is telling us. And if you start with, for example, Oxford Economics on your screen there, you can see there, but by far, Brisbane is a standout performer over the next couple of years in terms of capital gains. Now, some of the reasons for this is that Brisbane is leading the way also in terms of interstate net migration. So the population is on the rise. On top of this, the economy is doing quite well. It has recovered from the resource sector, which is in revival mode. Commodity prices are up, so again, that's going to give an uplift to the state. On top of this, the state has approved a $50 billion investment infrastructure spend that was approved last year. So all of this is going to help with pushing up prices and creating demand. Outside of that, you've got to think about the affordability here. You know, if you're from Melbourne or Sydney, you'd be aware that the median price sits between $800 to over $1 million. It's very hard to get into these markets now. On top of that, the rental yields are very low. You know, in Melbourne, it's as little as 3%, which makes it hard to secure finance. So it's getting harder and harder. But have a think about Brisbane. Median price in around $500,000. You can still be very close to the city for that price point. There's some great opportunities to add some value to properties. Some of the established properties do splitter blocks, small infill, multi-dwelling developments. If you want a house and land package in one of the growth corridors, an affordable price point, you can go as low as around 400 and still be within a 40-minute drive at the CBD. I would, however, suggest you stay away from the apartments, particularly in the interstate city locations. Look, we're not big fans of apartments unless they're small boutique and in the suburbs in a great location. Some of these are still in oversupply, so I wouldn't look at that. But outside of that, there's some great opportunities here. All right, it's one of the stronger markets. It's a super affordable market. The rental yields are between 4 to 5%, so that's really going to help with your finance. Stamp duties are a lot lower here as well than in other states. All right, but you've got to feel comfortable too. If you're from another state, you've got to feel comfortable going into these states. So that's where we can help. If you want to learn more about Brisbane, if you want more research, if you want to have a chat to the team, click on the button there and we can get this information too, because that's what we do. We help people get into these markets and chase the markets nationally. Thank you.